There are a few things going, right, in Asia. One is called the ARFP, right? And another one's called MRF. And then there's another one called the ASEAN CIS. Now, to get things even more complicated, actually, before these things happen, there's something called UCITS, right? Maybe Hon, educate us. First of all, there's UCITS, and now you've got all these 3 different initiatives.
Sure. So maybe just the background to the whole concept of funds passporting. It's really a mechanism by which addresses particularly the retail investment community. It allows a retail investor based in, for example, in Singapore, to be able to buy funds manufactured in a different jurisdiction, Australia, for example. They will buy that from distributors based in Singapore, and they do this in a regulatory framework that allows these funds created in the home jurisdiction, Australia, to be sold in the host jurisdiction, for example, Singapore, in a much more easy and efficient manner. We've been doing this with UCITS products for ages, right? UCITS products are available across a number of jurisdictions across Asia Pacific.
But let's go through some of this acronym: ARFP, MRF, ASEAN CIS. MRF is Mutual Recognition Initiative between Hong Kong and China. Probably, I would say, correct me if I'm wrong, the most exciting, right? Hong Kong, China, the biggest market. That's where we want to be, right? And then ARFP is an Australian-led initiative? APEC-led initiative, right? And then ASEAN, obviously, CIS with ASEAN coming together on that. Maybe share with us some of those.
Sure, I think you're right. I think for fund managers collectively, we are focusing on MRF at the moment. That is the mutual recognition between China and Hong Kong. Reason for that is clearly China. China is a very important investment theme. It's a huge potential marketplace for fund products. The ASEAN CIS is the initiative between a number of the ASEAN economies. That went live a year ago, and again, that's gaining some traction. I've been more closely involved with the Asian region funds passport. That's actually a much bigger potential region. It includes, currently, about 7 economies. So the large ones would be things like Australia, Singapore, Korea, and Japan. These are very large these are very large pools of assets that I think fund managers would be interested in. Within the ABAC that I work with, which is an APEC-led initiative, we've also targeted potentially Hong Kong and Taiwan as economies that could potentially also join the ARFP. So think about it, folks. I mean, if they were to join, you actually have a huge potential footprint across the whole of Asia Pacific that funds manufactured in this region could address.